makita mo yung video na sinasabi nila Philippine BFAR fishery vessel intentionally rammed daw ang barko nila. Common sense lang naman. Wina-water cannon nila sa likod, wina-water cannon nila sa harap. Tapos lilikuan nila ng gano'n. Talaga naman, kung tatama talaga sa kanila. But again, it was not intentional. It was actually their lies once again, hiding their unlawful and bullying activities in Baco de Masinloc. What really happened here is that etong dalawang China Coast Guard vessel na humaharas kay Dato Pia ang nag-conduct ng dangerous maneuver na inilabas nila ngayon sa social media, appearing na tayo ang babangga. But still, habang sinasabi nila tayo ang babangga, binubombahan naman nila ng tubig yung bridge ng BFAR vessel. So how can you even expect the BFAR vessel to prevent such unintentional ramming kung sila mismo ang lumiko, while at the same time, wina-water cannon ka sa harapan at sa likuran? Well, the Chinese propaganda media outlets have already released the video, and you can see na hindi naman ganun kalakas ang pag-ikip ng unahan ng BFAR vessel. And it is also obvious na ang nirelease lang nila na video is yung China Coast Guard vessel na yung nato, without actually showing yung China Coast Guard na yun ang lumiko para tamaan siya, while the BFAR vessel is subjected to water cannon.